hope you're all doing well. And thank you so much for coming back to just watch this beautiful girl. Thank you so much for always being there for me, and thank you so much for subscribing again. This is a new video, so if it's your first time here, please subscribe and let me know where you're watching me from. So this video, I'll quickly go to what I really wanted to do with this video. So on this video, finally we have a new gadget in the house. This is something that I really wanted for so long, and finally God made it to come through. So let me quickly just show you. Finally we have a ring light in the house. This is the new gadget that I have really worked so hard to get it. So quickly, I just want to unbox with you guys. This is actually an MJ33. I don't really know about these things, but what I know is that this is a ring light, and it is a 14-inch actually. I just decided to start with something small because I don't want to invest a lot at the moment, because I'm really like, I don't know what to say, but all this money is from deep from my pockets. Yeah, I have saved a lot in order to have this. Yeah, maybe in future, after everything is successful, that is when I'll be buying a huge ring light, but for now this is much okay for me. So quickly, let me not waste your time. I want to show you how it is. So this is the ring light itself. Yeah, this is the ring light itself. Yeah, it has the stepless dimming. Let me open it so that you can see. It has a soft light. It has a free spin. This is the free spin for the ring light. Yeah, it can go around, like it can rotate. You can rotate your phone the way you want, like it really can rotate so well. You can see I'm rotating it. Yeah, and you can also like there's enough space for your phone, so you don't have to worry if you feel like your phone is like is a bit bigger. It can actually adjust. You can see I can adjust it, right? And it rotates 360 degrees. It rotates, guys, so you don't have to worry. Okay, and this one is for the lights. It has different lights. Yeah, I was told it has different lights. It has the soft light for the eye protection. It has the glare light. Okay, so you don't have to worry about the eyes. It is protective for the eyes, guys, right? Another thing is that it has a non-slip silicone. Yeah, you can see how it is. Yeah, so it is stable. Yeah, it is very stable. Once it is fixed, everything, I just want to fix it so that you guys can see. Yeah, I don't really know a lot. I'm just reading from what I see here. It says that it is a 360 rotating pan tilt, free adjustment of light compensation angle, and then to meet all kinds of light compensation needs. Upgrade anti-skid mobiles, non-slip silicone pad design, stable security, can be used for mobile phones and cards, mobile phone charging pressure, karaoke microphone, and other equipment. Yeah, for the people who love karaoke like me, this is it. You need this, guys. And then they added that it has the soft light, eye protection, no stroboscopic and glare, no dry eyes, and astringent eyes in long-term live broadcast, bright muscle light, arbitrary adjustment to meet the needs of the light supplement. So this is the RGB LED soft ring light. This is the RGB LED soft ring light. Okay, so that's how it is. So quickly, and I got it for 2,800, guys. Yeah, I got it from, there's a shop at the Nyali Plaza. For the people who are in Mombasa, that is where I got it. Yeah, Nyali Plaza, that is where I got it actually, because I tried to like look for this ring light in a lot of stores so that I could really get the fair price. Yeah, so this is where I decided to buy my my ring light. I'll put the name of the shop in the description, post below. Okay, so quickly let me show you what we have here. Yeah, this is the tripod stand now. This is how the tripod stand looks like. Yeah, there's nothing here, it's just a box. Now this is my tripod stand. You can see how it is a bit heavy. Yeah, that is what I really wanted. Like, I wanted something that I could stay with for long. Yeah, because I'm not really planning to buy another this year. Maybe until next year when we are finally monetized, God willing. I'm sure we will. So this is how it is. You can adjust it. Yeah, you can adjust it. You can really adjust it, like yeah, I have actually it. Yeah, you can adjust it. It is adjustable, guys. It's only that I'm still learning, but you can see it is adjustable. I hope you can see me, guys. I want you to see it. So that's how it is. Very adjustable. And these are the, yeah, once you open this, then it goes up. Yeah, and another one too. There's this one below here. Yeah, this is for the opening. Then you close it. Yeah, you have to close this. Once you have opened it, you close it once it has moved. Yeah, so they showed me how to fix this. Yeah, that's how it is. Yeah, and then you open this other one in order for it to move. Like you have to move it anytime you want to, like, adjust it. You just have to play with these.
So anytime you want to adjust the ring light's height, you can always play with the knobs that you see there.
So that's how it is. I want to fix the ring light on it. I hope you guys can see me. So I want to fix this. I want to quickly fix this. You can see how it is. They taught me how to fix it actually. Yeah. So I hope you can all see me, guys. So I'll quickly put this on, and then I have to make it go around until it fits. They taught me how to do this. Oh my goodness, I hope it's okay. I'm still learning, guys, so I hope I'll be fine after this. Yeah. Is this okay? I don't really know. I'm not really sure. Oh, this one is needed. Oh, this is the ball. Yeah, we need this first. Guys, I'm still learning how to fix these things. Yeah, I wish they could fix it for me, but let me try. Let me keep on trying, right? Keep on trying until it becomes better.
I had to do a voiceover on this part because there was really noise that was coming from a neighbor's child. So guys, at this point I wasn't really sure of how to fix these things. You all know, when something is new, especially with the gadgets, it is so hard to fix it. So I really tried until I finally got to know. I actually had to go and take a view. I searched for a tutorial that fixes the ring light and all this on YouTube. Yeah, so thanks to YouTube, because you get to know a lot of things. Yeah, you are not frustrated anymore with YouTube because they have so many tutorials. Actually, I got to see a lot of them and I was able to fix the ring light here. But let me just show you how it all went on, because I did not want to cut all this. I just wanted you to see how hard it is to fix a ring light. Yeah, I know to some it is easy, but for me it was so hard. And I know there are a lot of you guys, even the ones who are planning to purchase a ring light, you should all see this and get to be keen, yeah, before after buying this, because they normally show you how to fix. I was actually told how to fix this, but I wasn't really concentrated on that because I was overwhelmed. I was so happy. You know, when you're happy and you're overwhelmed with happiness, you don't get to concentrate on anything. So when I came back home, it really gave me a hard time, but we did it. I just want you to see how hectic it was for me, so that you'll be keen next time and you don't get overwhelmed with happiness the way I did while they are teaching you how to fix it. So let's just watch this. That I was really frustrated. I tried everything. I was just about to I was even planning to take this ring light back to the shop that I bought, because this was really frustrating me, until I thought of a YouTube tutorial, because I know a lot of people, they do this tutorial while unboxing all these things. So I just decided to go and search it on YouTube. So here you can see I was really confused. I was stressed. I didn't even know what to do, but thanks to YouTube, guys. So if you are a person who loves to show tutorials, please show more tutorials on how to fix these gadgets, because it is frustrating somehow. And I don't know if they didn't add the receipt, something that would give me the directions on how to fix this. I don't know, because I didn't find it inside the box. I tried to search it inside the box, but I didn't find it. So thanks to the people who normally make tutorials on these things, yeah, I was able to get it.
How to time we had remained with this part, so finally I have gotten a plug from a video here on YouTube. That is the goodness of YouTube. You can never go wrong on YouTube. Yeah, it helps a lot. So guys, do more of the how to fix the ring lights, because I feel like it's hectic for a lot of people. Yeah, so finally, yeah, it's not supposed to be here. For decreasing the light, and then this is for increasing the light. Wow, this is so good. Let me switch off these lights from the kitchen so that you'll be able to see the difference. So this is for decreasing, yeah, and this is for increasing. This is how it is. And then we have different modes, like we have this mode, yeah, the color changes. We have this mode, we have this other mode. There are a lot of modes in here, so you can just play along with all these, yeah. And then we have this, like wow, I love this. This is if you are having karaoke's, right? Or if you are having a party, I feel like this is good. Yeah, wow. This is another one, another mod. This is another one. Again, that's another one. Wow, this is so good. This is so good. Yeah, it's just like the disco lights, guys. For those who love to party, just look at the, like, it has a lot of choices, yeah. Just look at this. Wow, this is another one. Wow, wow, wow. And guys, not forgetting, it uses light. Yeah, it uses light. So that's how it is. Yeah, that's how it is from the back, and that's how it is. You can see it on my window, right? Let me try and change the mode through the window. Let's see how it is. Wow, I'm playing along with the mods, guys, so that you can see well, and I feel like my window is a good place for you to be able to see the difference. Wow, wow, this is like a thunder. This is like thunder, guys. Wow, it has a lot of choices. Wow, this is so good. This is so good, guys. You can never run out of choices when it comes to this ring light. Yeah, look at that. Like, you can never run out of choices. These are the choices, the color modes that you can choose for your ring light, guys. There's a lot, guys. It's a lot. Yeah, it's a lot. So guys, that is our first ever ring light that you've bought, and I just thank God. You know, it's not easy. Yeah, I have really dreamt of having this ring light for like 2 years now. I used to say, I'll buy it. Then I end up not buying it because of a lot of budgets, yeah. But finally today, God made it happen, and here we are. For the first time, we are having a ring light, thanks to God. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, guys, and I can't wait. I really want to see myself through the ring light, guys, so that you can see like how the picture is. This is me. Let me switch the lights on. Yeah, so that's how it is with the lights on. That's how it is, guys, with the lights on. So yes, this is us through the ring light, and I feel so happy, guys. You can see how it is. Yeah, you can see how it is, guys. This is so happy. I feel so happy, guys, and thank you so much for being here. Please subscribe if you haven't. Okay, subscribe. Yeah, so this is our new ring light. Thank you so much for being here. Until the next video, bye bye. See you on the next video.